Professor Beth Goring. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how our course is set up in Canvas. When you log in using your Insight username and password to 4cd.instructure.com, you'll come to the dashboard. When you're at the dashboard, you're going to click on KINES 201-3434, and it'll bring you to our homepage. On our homepage, I have some information here about my name, my email address, my office hours, my phone number, my office location. And then there's a Getting Start Here. The Get Start Here button takes you to the Getting Started module. Right now, this first one is telling you how our course is set up in Canvas. That's what you're watching right now. Here's our email orientation. I sent that to you. And then here's one of your first assignments. It's a student meet and greet. So you're going to watch a video about me, and then you're going to create a video about you. There's some other information for course policies, navigation, and so forth. So go ahead and review that information. This next module is about the syllabus. So here's your syllabus, which I also sent you. Here's your syllabus quiz. I wanted to provide sample discussion responses and responses to classmates because I want you to have a really clear idea of what is expected of you for these discussions. And then I have a rubric as well for the discussions and responses to classmates, and also for your research paper. So please review those rubrics before you start doing the assignments to make sure that you have all of the elements included. This one right here, I've got chapter 1, and you'll see that I start off always with every chapter with the objectives of that particular chapter. I have a chapter 1 reading. I have PowerPoint slides, chapter 1 PowerPoint slides. And then down here, I have some audio lectures. So chapter 1, because there is so much information in here, I went ahead and split up my lectures into smaller chunks so you can watch it and rewatch it and rewatch it to make sure that you have a really good understanding. Down here, I have a page that has some different videos, animated videos, to really help you understand that chapter material. I also have this study guide or study materials where you click on this Body Smart and you can actually go into the different body parts and click on different things, and then just really study a lot. And then we have your first chapter quiz right there. Here's chapter 2, started off again with chapter 2 objectives, reading, PowerPoint, and then here's a bunch of different lectures, not as many as chapter 1, but there's still a lot of lectures. And then the practice materials, how these are videos. There's the Get Body Smart. Here's a practice quiz, and then the actual quiz itself. So you see that I start off with each chapter, each module the same way. Introduction, reading, PowerPoints. These are lecture. This is a full chapter lecture. So instead of making small chunky lectures, I went ahead and made one full chapter lecture. And then here's some other videos about biomechanics that are interesting to help you. And then chapter 3 quiz. All right, so you'll see each chapter has its own module. You are responsible to do a research paper. Here's the rubric, here's the Dropbox. You'll do a video presentation about your research, and it's just 2 to 5 minutes, and that way other students can watch your video presentation and then they will respond to it. The last module is the posture and gait analysis. This is really important. I have extra materials that I bring in for this, but this is really helps bring together the entire course, so that way you understand everything about the body and motion. So this is a very important chapter. Over here on the left, this is our course menu. We have Cyber Cafe. That's where students can talk to each other, create study groups. We have student question and answer, where students can ask other students questions. We have Comet Support Hub, where we provide services for students. So if you have any kind of needs, please look through not only the Comet Support Hub, but also the Wellness Central as well. So look through both of those too if you have some needs, and then hopefully we've got something that can help you. I will send out, the next one is announcements. I will send out announcements 1 to 3 times per week. Sometimes the announcement, if I have a video attached or if I have a picture attached, the announcement that comes to your email doesn't have all of the materials in it. It just has maybe some words. So if you see something and I'm talking about a video, then you probably need to go back into the announcements here on the left under the menu, and then go into the actual announcement that's within our course. Here's the modules button. Please keep checking back with your grades. Keep an eye on them. It'll let you know what assignments you've completed, what your scores were, what assignments are still outstanding. Here's my online office hour. So if you want to meet with me, online office hours are Tuesday, Thursday, 7 to 8. And so you can just click on that and it'll take you through a couple more clicks into my office hour. I'm happy to meet with you then. When you make up a video, you can do so through the studio. That way, if you make up a longer one, you don't have problems uploading it. Google Drive. If you use Google Drive for your word processing, please, for your research paper, please make sure that you save it and bring it out of Google Drive and save it to your computer, and then you upload that file in there. If you leave it in Google Drive, sometimes there's sign-in blocks and I can't get in to review your research paper. So please, again, if you use Google Docs, save your document outside of Google Docs and as a PDF or whatever, and then go ahead and upload that PDF. All right. Tutoring is available. Library access is available there. So this is how our course is set up in Canvas. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through my email.